and I'm really responsible for the automation portion of this plant. So we have a bunch of computers. I'm sure you guys saw the control room. So all those computers in the control room that the board operators control the plant from, it's really kind of my responsibility. Improving that system, maintaining that system, and then any kind of capital projects or any kind of big projects where we want to change something out is really kind of what I do on a day-to-day basis. So that involves kind of troubleshooting and bigger projects.
But we run our business to where each and every one of us is an entrepreneur. So every one of us owns the business, and we're allowed to operate and do our job as if it was our business.
We have a wide variety of different jobs here, whether you're an engineer, whether you're in business, whether you're more of a technician. There's all different kinds of things that you can do.
Part of my job is also to ensure that the people not are only safe, right, and that we're making product, but we're also, from a motivation and a morale standpoint, is that this is a place that they want to be, because we spend a lot of our time here.
My favorite thing I learned about Brascom was that it was an international company, and polypropylene is used all around the world in daily objects, stuff you use every day. You would never guess it, and that there's only a few companies all around the world and in the United States, so that's pretty cool.
The information I learned at Brascom, it affects my daily life because now I know when I use something as simple as a water bottle, I know where it comes from and what it's made from, and I was able to see that happen, so that's really cool.
My favorite part about the trip was learning about the control room because I got to see how a plant was controlled and operated.